Have you ever wanted to learn a new language but gave up because it felt too hard or too expensive? Well, thanks to AI, that's no longer a problem. Today, I'll show you how you can use free AI tools to learn any language, faster, easier, and more effectively than ever before. Let's start with your new personal language teacher, ChatGPT. You can ask it to translate phrases, explain grammar rules, or even role-play conversations with you. For example, say, "Pretend you're a Spanish teacher, and I'm your beginner student." Then start chatting. AI will correct your sentences, teach you new words, and even help you practice pronunciation if you use the voice chat feature. Next, meet Youglish and DeepL. Youglish uses YouTube videos to show how native speakers use words in real life. Just type a word and instantly, you'll see real people saying it in different contexts. DeepL, on the other hand, is your go-to AI translator, far more natural than Google Translate. It even explains subtle differences between phrases so you sound more fluent. Now, let's talk about speech practice, one of the hardest parts of learning a new language. You can use AI voice tools like TalkPal AI, Speak.com, or HeyGen Voice Chat. These apps let you talk with realistic AI characters who reply instantly, so it feels like chatting with a real person. No pressure, no judgment, just endless conversation practice. If you prefer learning through listening, try Podcasts AI or YouTube Summary with ChatGPT. These can summarize foreign podcasts or videos for you, helping you understand complex content faster. And finally, for vocabulary, there's a genius trick. Ask ChatGPT or Claude to make a daily word list with examples and quizzes. They'll generate short lessons customized for your level. You can even say, "Teach me 10 new Japanese phrases every morning," and it'll remember your progress. With these tools, you don't need expensive language courses or boring textbooks. You just need curiosity and the willingness to talk to AI like it's your new teacher. So what are you waiting for? Pick a language, open your favorite AI app, and start your first lesson today. In a few months, you'll look back and realize you've become fluent thanks to AI. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.